Hello, my name's Washboardjim. I'm the founder of the Sneaky Snake trading strategy, where I talk about chart patterns, moving averages, and being in the now. I want to show you how to use alerts when you're trading with moving averages. We're going to get right to it. So I've got these alerts set, and I've got the 200 EMA, and I've got the 100 EMA, and then you got the 200 SMA. So I've kept the 200 SMA alert right here because I think we could pull back and hit that 200 SMA. We've been going sideways for quite a bit, and we were starting in a downtrend, so I started setting my alerts. Now, I set this alert above this here moving average back here when we had these three black crows. Called out the trade and had a double top and got out. But what you got to do when you're using alerts, like this one here, I set up. I'll just set one up faithfully. I set it up at the mark right at below. And then I'll type in a message like 200 SMA. So when that alert pops up, I'll know what's going on. So that's how I set my alerts. But I usually set them on a trend line or a chart pattern or a previous resistance or anything like that. Today I'm using moving averages. So we're going to erase this one. As your moving average breaks your alert, you want to push up your moving average. You want to push up your alert above that moving average. I can't tell you how many times I've took a trade, or I've been waiting for a trade, and I set that moving average right on the 200 SMA and miss it. Sometimes I previously stop right before that moving average. So this way I'm kind of killing two birds with one stone. I got my alerts set above the 200 EMA, plus if it does dip down there, if it hits it and it goes on down, I'm alerted to that trade. Or if it just stops and hits that alert, I'm ready to hurry up and look at my alerts that I get on my message board. Like this one here was just triggered. SPX below the such and such and the mark, high volume. It gives implied volatility, 19%. I like trading stocks that have more than implied volatility over 3. When I set my scanners, I traded penny stocks. So that was a pretty good little set. But when you look at the implied volatility, that's pretty good right there too. So I always am moving that alert up as I'm watching. I'm always watching my chart, waiting for that alert to get hit. We might just hit it right here. Would I take the trade? Man, I'm so feeling this is talk about time schedule. My worstest trading hour is between 2 and 3 o'clock Eastern time. They're just triggered. See how it popped up there? So I'll go to my window, my options window. I'll wait for the second support. I'll type in SPX. I'm playing the lotto. So we got 3 white soldiers. So I've been triggered, and I want to get which one the closest one of the 2 I can get to the money as you river into the end of the day. So I could get 2 of these right around. And we're going to sit here and watch this stock now. And I'm about ready to get triggered. I really like it here. We got a double bottom. We got a double bottom with that hammer. So I'm going to grab, I don't know if it's going to work or not, but we're going to give it a shot. Boom! The other one just triggered. So I've triggered both of my alerts. SPY and the SPX. So I'm getting the 71.25s here at 310. This could not work, but I want to make sure I set my stop. And strike is 71.25 at 310. Ah, you bitch. You tell I'm not a very good typer. $71.25 at $3.10. Now we're at $3.50, $3.40. We're punched up against the 200 SMA, so that would be like an exit idea if you wanted to scale out for $40 a contract. Or unless you think it's going to break, it might run up and hit the 9 and squeeze between the 9. So this is called 3 black crows with a hammer. And there's 360, so I'm up $50 a contract. Now I'm going to sell them because I want to take my profit. I want to get out of this trade, just to show you how it can be done by raising up your alerts past the moving average. Out at 360. So I made $100 within 2 minutes. 3 black crows with a spinning top, or a hammer, off the 200 EMA up to the 9. And I'm done. I've been doing this all day. 3 black crows is one of my favorite patterns, by the way. Just don't tell nobody. So we're going to end this here. Wasn't that beautiful?
Narcissistic Jim, with his ego and his wit, doesn't give a
damn what you think of him one bit.
The market takes a dip, SPX Jimmy will buy. Bitching at Molly Carolyn, still the apple of his eye. Burp it up, Jim, let it fly, let it roar, let it roar. Stocks tend to rise with a fart from his core. Narcissistic Jim doesn't care what you think. He'll burp and fart out loud until his room stinks. Candles on his screen bounce like titties in the night. Birds get so loud, neighbors say
Take that boy ain't right.
Bull or bear, calls or puts, doesn't matter one bit. Jimmy's face can't wait for Nancy to come and sit. Fart for a dip, ass making noise. Burp for a rip, cheers from his boys. Jimmy is grinding away on his washboard toy. Burp it up, Jim. Let it fly, let it roar, let it roar. Stocks tend to rise with a fall.
Bottom of his core.
Narcissistic
Jim,
doesn't care
what you think?
He'll burp and fart out loud until his room stinks. Lots of fun he had, his ego's ablaze. Burps and farts collide, the room is so amazed. Narcissistic Jim, the legend, the king, playing his old washboard till that closing bell rings. Narcissistic Jim.
Prepare ye in the name of the Lord. We might be taking this at a double bottom. Prepare ye in the name of the Lord. Here we go. Grab your contract. 7130 at 110, 115.
Narcissistic Jim.
Having fun, man. Having fun. This is Washboard Jim with a sneaky snake trading strategy, showing you how to use your alerts and how to bring them up and follow your moving averages. Also, trader's tip, as we were respecting the 63 right here, we respected the 63 3 times, and that could have been a nice little trade for you. 3 white soldiers, you're out of the trade. 3 white soldiers, you're out of the trade. Have a great day.